poker is a very stylish game. I've always wanted to play poker, so I think I'm going to learn a bit of poker here now. And I'm very, very happy to be here because it's not just anymore a small platform. Like poker is becoming like a national sport बनता जा रहा है. I mean, there are people who were becoming prominent personalities. है मुझे मालूम है कि मैंने अभी कुछ दिनों पहले एक gentleman थे जो poker में I think he created history in India. He won a huge amount of money by playing online poker. So and it's not just time pass for all the people who think it's an easy way of making money. It's not an easy way of making money. It's a game which you have to understand the game to get into it. So please, all those people who think that poker is equivalent to gambling, this is not gambling. This is talent. You need to understand the game to make money. So Navneet, मेरे दोस्त, इन्होंने एक पोकर लाइन ऑनलाइन गेमिंग प्लेटफॉर्म आज लॉन्च किया है और अच्छी बात ये भी है कि इन्होंने MIPL यानी कि पोकर लीग भी हो रहा है, सीज़न 2 हो रहा है जिसमें गोवा लायंस इनकी टीम है जो पार्टिसिपेट करेगी और आज मैं इनका समर्थन करने के लिए just to be a part of it, just to be with them, I'm here.
Okay, Navneet, what was his reaction the moment you asked him to be here? You know, Rajiv is very choosy, whether it's slim or whether it's even a well-planned.
Yeah. So when I spoke to Mr. Rajiv, he said it's a wonderful thought, and he would really like to promote poker as a sports, which has been looked as a little sort of gambling kind of a game. But because it's a game with a lot of skills required. So he thought that this is something which he should promote. And the youth of India is coming towards the online platform as we see a lot of internet penetration happening and a lot of people are using mobile games for their phones. I think poker is something which will grow and boom in the years to come. So I have got full support from him and he congratulated me for my launch of Poker Lion and Goa Lion the day we spoke to.
Okay, Rajiv, what are the 3 things you look into, so, apart from being a friend to somebody, when you associate yourself with any brand?
See, I think if I can actually educate people about the sport, मुझे मालूम है बहुत से लोग ये समझते हैं जो मैं रिपीट कर रहा हूँ अपने आप को, लेकिन बहुत से लोग समझते हैं कि पोकर एक गैम्बलिंग होता है, कैसीनो में जाओ पोकर खेलेंगे. पर जैसा कि अभी नवनीत ने बताया कि इसमें स्किल की ज़रूरत है, तो बहुत से लोग जो मिसगाइडेड भी होते हैं, I want them to know that this is a serious gaming platform. जैसे चेस में स्किल चाहिए होते हैं वैसे पोकर में स्किल चाहिए होते हैं. So this is a mind sport completely. So I want people to whoever is inclined to जिनमें talent है to be aware of it and then of course go after it. I mean that's your world, that's your game, that's your talent.
Okay, क्या राजीव आपने खेला है पोकर?
मैंने कहा जिस बहुत स्किल चाहिए होती है इस गेम में.
Okay, you are saying something about mind.
Yeah, it is a mind sport. It's a mind sport. So the whole mentality about poker is changing. Earlier सबको लगता था कि anything to do with cards is gambling, and it was a big taboo. Like a lot of people wouldn't accept it in public to the fact that they play a card game. But now poker is becoming such a trend and such a hot trend right now that people take pride in playing poker because it's a mind sport and it needs a lot of, like he truthfully mentioned, it needs a lot of talent. It needs a different style, practice,
skill,
yes, and experience makes you perfect. So even if I have a very bad hand, I could bluff somebody or try and read his game. So there's a lot of probability. So you need to put everything into a game, and that's when you can actually be a poker star.
Okay, do you know this? Raj Kundra is also coming this poker league, and
we are a part of the MIPL. So Mr. Raj Kundra initiated the MIPL last year. Last year was season 1. And currently now we've just launched our own team. It's called Goa Lions. We're a part of that team and hopefully I'll be playing in the team too. So I'm damn excited about that.
Okay, Rajiv, apart from this, what's happening on the professional front?
Professional front, now you see me more, than as compared to last year. मैंने अभी काम बहुत करना शुरू कर दिया मैं बहुत कम काम करता हूँ. पिछले साल मैं बहुत शांत बैठा था. इस साल से अब आप May onwards you'll start seeing a couple of films, you'll see some web series, and then you may see something really exciting which is not on just the domestic level. It could be on a different level also.
It means you're conveying you'll be participating in some Hollywood flick.
पता नहीं.
You said
Time will tell.
It will be a surprise from your end.
अक्षय में आपके किरदार को बहुत ज़्यादा सराहना मिली. क्या कहेंगे उस बारे में, कैसे लेते हैं?
अक्षय में सराहना जो पूरे शो को बहुत मिली है, मुझे इकलौते को नहीं मिली है. आई थिंक हर एक्टर को बहुत तारीफ मिली है और वो उसका पीछे केन घोष का हाथ है, उसके पीछे स्क्रिप्ट का बहुत बड़ा हाथ है. आई थिंक बहुत ही खूबसूरत स्क्रिप्ट थी जब हमने ली थी और मुझे मालूम था पहले से कि इसमें सिर्फ एक्टर नहीं, आज जितने भी एक्टर्स हैं, डायरेक्टर हैं, टेक्नीशियन, सबको बहुत अप्रिसिएशन मिला है. तो आई एम वेरी हैप्पी कि जैसे मैंने सोचा था जो रिसेप्शन मिलेगा बिल्कुल वैसे ही रिसेप्शन मिला.
Okay, Navneet, speaking about the portal, can you guide all the viewers who are watching us कि किस तरह से वो ऑनलाइन जा सकते हैं? You can just
So we are launching our website today, and in 3 months' time we'll be launching our app as well. So at the moment they can come and play on Poker Lion at our website, which is being integrated with Micro Gaming's gaming platform, which is the world's leader in secure gaming platform. So on Poker Lion we believe that we want to give the ultimate gaming experience to our users, so that even in India people can play it with the real thrill which they probably will find abroad. So at this stage you can log on to www.pokerlion.com and enjoy your game.
so anything after this coming up or something like that?
Yeah, so the main company of Poker Lion is Ability Games, which is into 360-degree of gamings with real money online. Right after launch of Poker Lion, we'll be working on Rummy, which is again considered as game of skills in India, and then we'll move on to Real Money Fantasy League. So Ability Games will take right steps forward to give ultimate gaming experience to all the users in India in every different field they can find out. Okay.
Rajiv, a different question. Would you be interested in doing a Hollywood film?
I would be interested in doing any exciting work, be it Hollywood or be it a Tamil film or a Bengali film or Hindi film or a web series or a theatre ka play ho, kuch bhi ho. I would be keen to do exciting work that gives me an opportunity to grow as an actor, to learn the skill even more.
But Rajiv, do you feel that you are growing here? I mean, we have been watching.
I just told him.
No, I think you all have cataract in your eyes.
Anything else?
Thank you so much. Wish you all the best.
So lots and lots to share, lots of surprises. surprises to be discussed and shared. So once again, welcoming all of you. एक बार जोरदार तालियां हो जाए for our chief guest Rajiv Khandelwal. Thank you for coming out here. And a big round of applause for the entire team of PokerLive.com. A big round of applause, please. Thank you. Thanks a lot. Alright, so we'll start off with the inauguration. To do the honors, I would like to call on stage first and address all of you, Mr. Navneet Makharia, who is the CEO of PokerLive. Everyone.
Thank you, Annie. Welcome all of you for the launch of PokerLive. I'm really happy. I'm really happy to see you all over here to support us for our launch of PokerLive. I'm thrilled to have Mr. Rajiv joining today for supporting our launch. I have a very small presentation. We'll take 5 minutes just to explain what PokerLive is, what made it started, and where do we stand, how are we different from the other online poker sites in India. Just give me a second as we start the review. Experience to our Indian crowd and a vision to become market leader of online gaming platform. Let me present you PokerLive.com to you. Thank you. Many games all around in India. So APT Games deals with the launch of PokerLive. It's also planning to launch Rummy game. It is also planning to launch fantasy games in times to come. Alright. We have a very vast experienced team of PokerLive. My team is led by Mr. Suraj Chokhani. He is the managing director. Followed by, I'm the CEO of PokerLive. We have Mr. Anutosh Chatterjee, who is the industry consultant from 1 decade, which is into poker. And then we have Priyanka Kapoor, who is advisor for our venture. We are the key members. With regards to our team, we have 4 hierarchy level team which is experienced to provide thrill gaming in India. We have a huge lot of team you can see which gives 24/7 support, right quick withdrawals of the users, experienced IT team which can give smooth interface for users to play. Market size. If I can ask to focus you on the screen, 50% of the online game is being played by Asian countries.
Launch, as they say, life is a game of poker. If you do not put anything in the pot, nothing comes out of the pot. So with that mission, I think PokerLive is, we are launching this site today. Primarily, very quickly, I would just not go into the details of how different we are, but primarily there are 2 major differences which will give us that unique selling proposition as compared to other sites. First of all, our withdrawals are instantaneous. It happens just immediately. And secondly, we have an immense, awesome CRM loyalty bonus system which no other current Indian online poker site offers. So these are the 2 very critical points which I think the Indian players would really like. Secondly, is the idea is not only just to launch a poker site, the idea is to create an experience where all the newer generation of the millennials and the high rollers of poker get interested in the game. So we are very much focused on the poker players rather than the game of the poker. So poker obviously comes as a default, that's the game that everybody plays. We are also trying to educate and increase the game of poker across India. So it will be more like a sport. As you know, globally, poker is considered to be a sport. People play professional poker, they run their lives out of it. And PokerLive will be one of the platforms where it will be a transparent, it will be much more visionary, and more importantly, a very vibrant platform. The word is vibrant, but it's completely full of with players. Last but not the least, our technology partner is Microgaming, which is the world's best poker technology company based out of Israel. We have partnered with them. It's not easy that they normally partner with anybody, but they have come to us and we are working with them. Going forward, we will go ahead with other formats of real money gaming, including poker, rummy, and fantasy. And I'm sure the experience which the players will experience in PokerLive will definitely be different definitely be much more enthralling as compared to the other poker sites. And lastly, I would say, may the flop be with you, because that's what matters in the poker. And as I just conclude my statement, I would wish everybody a very good night, drive safe, and enjoy the party. I would now like to call Navneet to continue with the next session, please. Thank you, guys.
Thank you, Anutosh, for that brief USP of our website. Next.
So very much, thanks a lot. But I now request to come on stage Mr. Varun Goenka, who is the President of Indian Poker Match Presentation. Thank you.
Thanks. On behalf of Match IPL and the Indian Federation, I'd just like to say how glad we are to have Poker Lions buy into the concept of match poker as a sport, and officially welcome Goa Lions to the Match IPL. And I really look forward to working with Navneet and the entire team. Just a little bit about Match IPL and match poker in India. We are fully a sport, globally and in India. Match poker is a game which completely eliminates luck from Texas Hold'em. We play in teams and we ensure that the players' true skills are rewarded. Just like any other sports leagues, such as cricket, football, tennis, players are rewarded for their skills with prize money that is generated outside of their own buy-ins effectively. There are 10 teams that are going to be participating in Season 2, which is going to be held in Calcutta on the 31st of March. And we're very excited to have Goa Lions make their debut in Season 2. And watch out for us on MTV. Thank you.
I'm pretty sure all of you really want to know what Poker Lion is all about. है क्या ये pokerlion.com जिसके बारे में हम तब से इतना बोल रहे हैं. And to showcase to you in a better way, we have a small audio visual so that we can show you what pokerlion.com is all about. So can we have a look, please? देते हैं, अभी तब से बात कर रहे हैं. We all are celebrating the launch. So let's not waste any more time. And to do the honors, I would like to call on stage. Can we please have a big round of applause for Mr. Rajiv Khandelwal? जोरदार तालियां हो जाए. The heartthrob, million hearts, the very handsome, the very dashing Rajiv Khandelwal is here with me. Hi, pleasure to meet you. So Rajiv, we're talking about poker for a very long time, and you have done a movie called Table Number 21, and you were in that game. So what would you like to tell our viewers here, people here, because you were associated with that, and we're here talking about poker.
Table Number 21 had nothing to do with poker, and that was like just another game of completely. But what I want to tell you about poker is that poker is a card game, yet it's a mind game. You know, it is not one of those games where you can, where it's just about luck, it's about the skill. So I'll repeat myself again, please do not get into the sport thinking कि मेरे पत्ते लग जाएंगे तो मैं बहुत से पैसे जीत जाऊँगा. You need a lot of talent, you need devotion like you would need for any other sport. So let's educate them and let's tell them that this is a game where you can make a lot of money, but it does need a lot of skill and a lot of probably focus and understanding the game. So I wish Poker Lion a great future, a very successful platform. I hope they have a lot of players who come and participate, and everyone makes a lot of money.
It's amazing to have him on board, and the fact that he is also very supportive of the game poker, and the whole fact that हम कितना encourage कर रहे हैं poker as a game is a mind sport in India. And it was amazing to have him here. And hopefully we should be associated in future also for similar events.
Sir, I want to know what is the benefit of being associated with this league as such? I mean, an individual being associated with the league, what is the benefit of the individual who is getting?
See, since we are catering to both online and offline gaming platform, we want to incorporate into one platform, as in any player who wants to play on the offline league can be our leader on the online platform. So any leader who is regularly playing and winning hands, we can take him into an offline platform as well. So he can make his career out of it. We can help him grow in his career to achieve heights.
And how are you?
Navneet, do you agree with this? Somebody like, the caliber of Rajiv Khandelwal comes on board and promotes your...
See, he's a youth icon. People support him. People look forward to him. And we are excited to have him on board because him supporting poker as a sports is a wonderful thing. It's something which will excite all the youth who is our target audience, whom we want to cater and portray our products. It is good to have him on board, and we are excited about it.
Are you in the planning to break that taboo, which is against it? It's all about gambling,
Definitely, and I think
Yes.
the best person to answer that will be Mr. Varun
Mr. Varun Goenka.
because he's fought really hard to make this game legal in India.
Sir, please, camera looks up, please.
So to answer your question, yes, that's exactly what we're trying to do with the Match IPL. We are trying to shed that image of gaming and gambling that poker has created over the years, of being played in dark back rooms with cigars and whiskey glasses, that chips, that's all being shed. And now what we've done is we've actually created poker as a sport. You play in teams and you're actually rewarded for your skill. Match poker as a sport inherently has dropped luck from the game, which was so prevalent in conventional Texas Hold'em. What we've done is actually created a sport which has now today been recognized on a global stage as a mind sport. And we as a federation are also part of the World Anti-Doping Code, just like any other sport. The Match IPL recognizes skill and rewards skill, just like you would in a tennis league, in a football league, or even the Indian Premier League cricket league. And that's exactly, and we're glad to have the Goa Lions and the Poker Lions associated with us. It's great to have this association because the traction that they can get from the Match IPL will really help them promote their website. It'll get a lot of players. It'll be able to prove that poker is actually all about skill, which is what we're all about.
So what is the vision? What is the vision for the sports as such, and how you are going to create that?
The vision for match poker in India is exactly like any other new sport, is to create a league which eventually grows and becomes one of the most popular leagues in India. We've seen the growth of many new sports in the last 5 years. We've seen badminton, we've seen kabaddi, we've seen football. All these leagues are now growing and giving cricket a real run for its money. Cricket will always be cricket, it will always be number one, but we can always fight for number 2, 3, 4 and 5.
Okay, Navneet, I asked you a few minutes back, there will be a comparison.
Yes.
Ma'am, just
I thought there will be a competitor, Raj Kundra will be a competitor, and I came to know he is associated with you.
Yes.
Tell us about Raj Kundra and his association with your poker league and all.
So Mr. Raj Kundra is the one who started this IPL, the Match IPL, and Beyond Industries is what he owns and started the Match IPL. So we own the team called Goa Lions. We are the new team that entered this season. Last year there were about 7 teams and it was very well received. This year 3 teams were added to the season and we are one of them. So we are very excited. And the fact that we have people coming out and telling us we play poker. There are so many professional poker players coming out finally. I think it's amazing to bring these people together and support Varun because he's supporting us. So we definitely, yeah, I think.
Sir, but it is for the rich and elite people in the country.
No, definitely not. It's for the youth. It's for anybody who is having the skill of playing poker. They can play with 1 rupee to 1 lakh rupee online. Anyone can play anywhere, any time. So it's nothing about it's a light game or it's a rich game or nobody else can afford it. Somebody who is having 10 rupees in his pocket can make millions out of it if they really know poker, how to play.
But what is the inspiration which drives you to make this league so big?
See, I myself, I'm a decent poker player, and I see it's a game of skill which is addictive. As in, you can make a career out of it. If you can play good hands, you know how to beat your bad hands. it's wonderful for you,
So
and that's my motive.
Like any other sport, if you know, like if you love playing cricket, you just love playing cricket. You can do anything. Likewise, even for poker, poker is a sport. So if you get the hang of the game, and if you know how to play, and also you learn a lot from experience. So that's what makes you a better player. Yeah.
Absolutely, and with poker, one thing to keep in mind is that it's a mind sport. So like other sports, you have different age groups and you have categories. You don't have men playing against women. In poker, it's a level playing field. You can have a 10-year-old boy playing against a 70-year-old woman, but it's all fair. It's all fair game because at the end of the day, you're using your mind. It's a mind sport, just like chess, just like bridge, just like any of the other mind sports.
Lastly, what is the idea of creating awareness among the people regarding the league as such?
So, regarding the league, we are associated with Mr. Kundra. He is marketing Match IPL, and we are trying to promote Goa Lions, where we are looking for good poker players. We will be promoting them on our platform, and they will be promoting us on Match IPL's platform. So there's a win-win situation for all of us. With regards to Poker Lion, we are promoting this platform where we are also giving opportunities to our users to play for Goa Lion. Since the parent company owns both online and offline platform, we are giving a whole lot of balance.
And most importantly, I think we are trying to break the taboo that poker is gambling and it's a bad thing, you shouldn't be playing poker. So that's the kind of mindset that we want to like really come out and tell them that it's not a bad thing. We've been going on saying it's a mind sport, it's a skill sport. It's not a physical strength sport where like a certain age group needs to compete with a certain age group, or somebody of a particular anybody can play with anyone, like Varun said rightly. So we need to break this taboo and tell people, and there's so many people coming out now and telling us that suddenly you see there are a lot of professional poker players.
See, if you see Mr. Vishwanath Anand, people will find chess as a sport. They will look forward to it. We are trying to create an environment where people will try to find somebody who is actually an icon, and they will try to consider poker as a sport and probably make a career out of it. So you never know. It's all our efforts, which probably in days to come will give us reward.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
All right.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.